Hello, 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 guys. This is Denzel here, just saying hi. How are you? Shut up! Good. That's my brother in the back. He's probably gonna be part of my video because he's annoying. So right now we're gonna play some. Stop! We're gonna play some PvP. Goodbye. Roasted. PvP. On this game, see who can be the best. All right. So I'm gonna go
I
first.
wanna be the very best that no one ever was.
This is how much I hate ads. All right, let's go. So
I wanna be the very
how
best
are y'all?
that no one ever was.
Well, my day was pretty crappy knowing this guy was alive. Listen to this guy.
Pokemon,
Gotta catch 'em all.
I don't
Get
get
ready.
Pokemon.
You loners.
Pokemon, gotta
Catch
catch 'em
'em all. Roasted. That was lit. So guys, how are y'all?
Pokemon,
So how
gotta
are
catch 'em all.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys.
It's the final countdown.
Oh, I died. Okay, Sean, it's not. Sean, it's now your turn. Okay? Sean, it's your turn. Play. We're gonna see who can get the highest score. So I have 2,494. Go.
About what you have.
Subway Surfers. Maybe you can do
I honestly don't care.
Hey guys, this is Sean, my
hey
brother.
man, shut up. No one cares.
You might know him from Instagram, Snapchat, all those thingamajigs.
Don't touch my food.
It's my
kill you.
food.
I will kill you. You touch my food, I hurt you. Matter of fact, sit back up there.
I don't want it to ruin my video, man. Sorry, guys. My video's rolled over.
Don't touch my food. Like, you never touch a black man's food.
Hey,
unless he gives
this
you
is supposed to
permission.
be under kids. You can't say stuff like that.
Don't touch them. Ooh.
So how are y'all guys?
Shut up, man. No one cares. They just want to watch the video. They don't really care what you have to say.
So, guys, my day was actually pretty good. Well, crappy because
No
this
one cares
guy
about
was
your
alive.
Monday. Nobody. It's not even Monday yet. Why are you gonna talk about Monday? Monday is tomorrow.
I'm not even talking about Monday.
You said my Monday was pretty good, guys.
No, my day was pretty good.
Bro, the day is barely started. It's just like 1 or something. Like the day's still going. It just started.
Don't tell them the time.
I'm pretty sure they're gonna know the time. Pretty sure the time won't even matter when they're watching this. For all they know, it's kind of like it could be. You could.
Are you beating me?
I don't know.
You're beating me!
Keep away from my food.
Okay, I want you to just look. Oh, you're actually pointing the camera to your face. Thank you. Wait, you used the key?
Rookie. I gotta keep it.
Okay, so he doubled my score. Okay, so here goes round 2. 1 point for Sean, 0 points for me. There you go. Oh my god! That doesn't count. That doesn't count. Because this guy just glitched. Yeah, he's framed this stupid game. So guys, my video was actually pretty good. But for right now. So for the audio for my last video, I didn't know how crappy it was. So I think my idea is that if it's on internet games, it's crappy audio. And if it's on this thing, it's crappy. Come on, why you gotta do me like that? Wait, come on! It's like paper die again. That doesn't count. Yay! I got 30,000. I mean 12,000.
The keys. I don't want to play.
Come on.
We go down.
Yes, I got 12,000. I want.
Hey, no, you didn't. This thing is so laggy. I don't want to play.
Come on, just keep.
Big ugly head out the way.
Yes! I
That doesn't count.
Yes, yes.
Away from my food. Away from the
No, I
food.
tried to win so you see your face. I won.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I won fair and square.
You didn't.
I won fair in pairs. Okay, that doesn't sound wrong. I sound dirty mom. So guys, you want your joke? Knock knock. Who's there? A non cow. No,
Shut up! No one likes your jokes.
I thought you were a comedian.
You thought.
Wait, what? Why you gonna turn my old folks against me, man?
He's such a fuck. They don't know you.
Yes, they do. They always know me because I already did 30 videos.
That don't mean they know you.
I said I only did 2. Well, 3. Count my dating century. It was my dating hall of fame of all my girlfriends. Just kidding, guys. That would never happen. Because I would never document my girlfriend. Oh my girlfriend. That's so bad!
Hit me again, see what happens. Well, I swear. I'm gonna drop this. I'm gonna break this phone.
If you break my phone, I break you. Hey, you started!
You saw it.
You did. Ow!
You restarted it. Why not restart it?
You keep starting like a million times. I only started once. Wink, wink. Ah! Okay, let's see. I won perfectly. You only got to 570. I won, guys. Well, wait, that's a tiebreaker, right? Dang it, now I have to do one more.
No, I won.
No. 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 No, you did it.
Yes, I did.
No.
Yes, I did. Oh my God.
Yep, chicken noodle soup.
Oh my God.
The only thing I need to do
Oh my God.
is get such an impossible high score. So you'll never win.
I already won.
No.
Yeah.
For the first one, you lost. No. No.
I won.
No. No. No, you didn't. I want fair and pairs. No, stupid. No. No.
I won.
Okay, now it's your turn.
I already won.
No, you didn't.
I won.
garbage used your last score. So I won, guys. I won.
No.
Take that. And y'all said I'm horrible at games. You're probably right because I